Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change region on Lazada. I wonder why you want to know how to change region on Lazada. Maybe because you want to change it because you have moved out of your country to another country, so you want the products of that country. Or maybe you're planning to go to another country, but before you want to see what products are available into that country on Lazada. So you want to change the region, or there could be any other reason for you to change the region on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change region on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options, promotion, different products, categories, almost all over the screen. So if you want to purchase product, you can purchase this from this page because this page is called For You page. We have some of the options at the bottom as well. So here we will click onto this option, which is the account option. Once you click on it, you will get into your account. There you will see your name and profile picture and some of the options as well. You will also notice an option at the top right of the screen, which is the settings icon or settings option. So you just have to simply tap onto that option and you will land into settings. There you will see the title of settings and you will see all these options. So every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options here we have this option which says country, and right now the country that is selected is Malaysia. So if you want to change it from Malaysia to another, then you have to tap on it, and once you tap on it you will see this list. So Lazada is an app which is very much popular in Southeast Asia, so you have to choose within this. There's no other option available, so you have to use any one of these countries. If you want to use Thailand or Vietnam, just simply tap onto that one, and after that it will say that it will delete all the things that are in your cart and it will log out, and then you have to log in again, and then the country will be changed. So if you're okay with that, then you have to simply click on OK, and if you're not, then you can just simply cancel, but you cannot change the region. So just simply click on that, and after that you will get also asked that if you want to change the language or not. So you can keep the English, otherwise you can also change it. It's all up to you, and after that you will see that you will get logged out. So now if you want to get back again to your account, and then simply click on login, enter your login information, and you will get back to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your region on Lazada app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.